Using these steps, let's transform to standard form the equation of the parabola. So given x squared minus 4x minus 4y minus 4 equals 0. Let's do the addition property of equality. So x squared minus 4x is equal to 4y plus 4. So what happened there? Just transpose to the other side the negative 4y and negative 4. After regrouping, let's complete the squares. X squared minus 4x plus blank is equal to 4y plus 4 plus blank. So let's get the second term. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2 square that 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2 square that is 4 also. Let's do combining like terms first. 4 plus 4 is 8. The factor of the first trinomial is x minus 2 squared, and the other one is just factor out 4y plus 2. So let's go back to the equation. X minus h squared is equal to 4p y minus k. Formula of 4p is equal to 4. Therefore, p is equal to positive 1. So if we use this formula, we can determine if it is upward or downward. Our p is positive, therefore the opening is upward. So our vertex has coordinates h and k. From the solution, we have the value of h and k. Remember how to get the center of the circle. It's just the same as the vertex here. So the additive inverse of negative 2 is positive 2, and the additive inverse of positive 2 is negative 2. So if we use this formula here, it starts at x. So for the focus, we just copy the x value, and for the y, it moves 1 upward. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Similarly, the directrix is 1 unit below the vertex. So if it is negative 2, y is equal to negative 3. That's the directrix. Let's try this. X minus 2 squared is equal to 4, y minus 1. So if p is positive, the movement will be upward. So from x squared is equal to 4py. Our 4p is equal to 4 and p is equal to positive 1. So our vertex is the value of h and k. We're in positive 2 and 1. Plot the vertex 2 and 1. So if p is equal to 1, this means that the focus and the directrix are 1 unit from the vertex upward. So the coordinate of the focus is 2 and another 2. the equation of the axis along vertex and the focus. So x is equal to 2. The equation of the directrix is 1 unit below the vertex. Y is equal to 0. The length of the Latus rectum is 4. We have 2 units to the left and 2 units to the right from the focus. Therefore, the endpoints are 0, 2 and 4, 2. The Latus rectum, we can now draw the parabola. Now let's try this. X plus 2 squared is equal to negative 4 y minus 2. So from here, we can see that negative 4 is our value of p. Therefore, the opening of the parabola is downward. From x squared is equal to 4px. Our 4p is equal to negative 4. And our p is equal to negative 1. From the equation, let's get the value of h and k to get the vertex, which is 2, negative, and positive 2. So where is negative 2, positive 2? Here. So for the focus, it will move downward from p negative 1. So the coordinates of our focus is negative 2, positive 1. The equation of the axis is located along the vertex in the focus. X is equal to negative 2. The equation of the directrix is above 1 unit from the vertex. Y is equal to positive 3. From the length of the Latus rectum, negative 4, let's get the absolute value of that. It will become positive 4. So we need 2 units to the left of the focus and 2 units to the right of the focus. So our endpoints for the Latus rectum, negative 4, positive 1, and 0, 1. So if this is the Latus rectum, we can draw the parabola now. Another example, y minus 1 squared is equal to 4 times quantity x minus 2. So we are solving in terms of y. Therefore, our 4p is positive. So the movement or the opening of the parabola is going to the right. From y squared is equal to 4px. Our 4p is equal to positive 4. Therefore, p is equal to positive 1. The value of k and h is here, so the coordinates is positive 2 and positive 1. Positive 2 and 1 is here, so that's the vertex. So the graph will open to the right, so the focus is 1 unit to the right. Coordinate of the focus is 3, 1. It is along the focus and the vertex. So y is equal to positive 1. The equation of the directrix is 1 unit before the vertex. That is x equal to 1. From the length of the Latus rectum, which is 4, we have the endpoints 2 units on the upper part of the focus and 2 units in the lower part of the focus. Therefore, our endpoints is at 3, 3, and the other one is 3, -1. From the length of the Latus rectum, we can now draw the parabola. So the next example is y minus 1 square is equal to -4 times the quantity of x minus 2. Because we are solving in terms of y and our 4p is -4, the opening of the parabola is going to the left. Y squared is equal to 4px. Our 4p here is -4 and our p is just -1. From the equation, we have the value of k and h. So our vertex is +2 and +1. Let's plot the vertex. +2 and 1 is here. For the focus, it is 1 unit to the left of the vertex. So coordinate of the focus is 1, +1. The equation of the axis is along the vertex and the focus. Therefore, y is equal to 1. So the next is equation of the directrix. It is 1 unit from the vertex. So the equation of directrix is x equal to 3. From the length of the Latus rectum, which is -4, let's get the absolute value of -4 is +4. So we have 2 units on the upper part of the focus and another 2 units on the lower part of the focus. And the coordinates of the Latus rectum is 1, 3, and the other one is 1, -1. From the Latus rectum, we can now draw the parabola.